Hello everybody. So I got the Heritage Alexis 42-inch hugger up. As you can see, it is very impressive. I think what's most impressive, first off the light, is that brand new out of the box, and it doesn't work. Works in reverse. That is some Heritage quality. It's making enough wind to kind of spin my Baysider up there. Let me just tell you that as fast as it might look like it's going in the video, it's not. Medium. Low. Off. Yep, a marvelous testament to ceiling fan quality, no doubt. Like I said, pop it into forward, nothing. Ah, well, that's an interesting result. A bit unexpected, I'll admit. Okay, well, there we go. As you can see, it's moving an astronomical amount of air. Medium downdraft. Already making noise. Low downdraft. Off. Now I kind of want to see something. Okay, we're still good there. Guess it just needed the magic touch. But anyway. Yep. What a lovely fan. Alright, that's it. Hope you enjoyed.